SPC, Maryland. Right now it is a Wednesday and I'm home because it is 8:13 and there's no school, I guess, because it's a snow day. There's no snow, but they just canceled school. But today's video is about how to make an EOS. Now, I decided to start off with the text part because it'd take a long time. So yeah, I'm doing the Civil Danger message. Now, you could use this website or AT&T text to speech. But I tried that. It doesn't even download it, so what I'm trying to figure out is how to install this, but the message I just made. Basically, yeah, you should do that first. Make the message, then download it. Yeah. Let me just get that out. That's basically the same thing. You can also have it to be a girl voice in English if you want. Or it could be Spanish. You can do anything. Well, how do I get this out of here? Okay, there. Alright, now you're gonna want to go to Alright, so I'm gonna backspace. So you're gonna want to go to EMERGENCY Emergency Alert System. That's what you want to go to. Alert. Alright. This is for getting the tones. The warning, the header tone, and all those tones, like those tones. So you want to go to the Wikipedia. I don't know how you say that easily, but yeah. Then you're gonna want to make sure yours pops up on this page. Then scroll down. Same header tone. You want that. So then we go to that. Then you'd say save link as. Yeah. So that's the name, same one. That's what it's called. So now it's downloaded. So then I just clicked it. So basically, those are your tones you want. Then you go back to the encyclopedia or whatever. Alright, and then you're gonna want to go down to get the middle tone, I think, if that's what they call it, like the beep noise or whatever, like like that kind of. Where is it? Alright, here it is, the attention signal. Alright, we're gonna go to that. Save link as. Alright. Then we're going to hit save. Then we're going to click it. That's the tone you want. So that's the other signal. So then you got that, alright. Then you go back here. And then I think, now the EOM we already have, so we don't need to download the EOM. So basically, if you go to Emergency Alert System Encyclopedia, you'll find all of this stuff, which is also cool. They recorded the national EOS test for TV. All the message, well, you don't see it. They also did the weekly test for the radio. You can see there's a picture of the test, but it's not working. So. Alright. Alright, now we're going to keep scrolling down and look for some other stuff. If we find any noise icons, then we want to look at that, because basically that's stuff you'd want to download, kind of. But we already downloaded all of it. So let's go back up. Alright. There's one message it says child abduction emergencies. Let's see that. I don't know. I wonder if it plays the message. Oh no, it just talks about it. Amber alerts. Emergency accident notification. Whatever. That was my brother. This is emergency. Oh, wow. Hear that, guys? Well, that's not really important, but my brother just said the electricity guy is coming, but that's not part of this. So, this part of Encyclopedia is, just ignore my brother, he's talking so loud. Ollie, quiet! Quiet, Ollie! Shh. Yeah, I just told him quiet. Alright, so this is, emergency action notifications. Let's look at them. I just want to see what they do. Oh no, this is only the rules about it. Okay, now that we downloaded our tones, which are right here. So we got this tone. Now you're gonna want to put it onto your message that you're gonna make. So we're gonna want to, let's see. Okay, you're gonna want to, I think if you do this, alright. Basically, this is very easy to do. You just keep it how it is. Because I can slide these tones onto here and then you won't know the difference. Now, I already made my alert before I made the video, so let me open it up. Now, if you have Windows, like Windows computer, like I am using my demo on, you're gonna want to use Paint. That's the only thing that I use for making EAS alerts, because that's all I could think of. Well, you could also use OneNote, PowerPoint, Excel, basically, or Word. But I'd suggest you use Paint. I mean, if you were to make, let me get my alert up. Ollie, quiet! My brother won't be quiet all the time. Sorry, guys. Let's see. All apps. No. You do realize this is my other own laptop. I got two laptops, basically. Come on, let's get that side thing to pop up. There we go. You go to search, start that, and then you find Paint. Okay, there's Paint. And we're going to go to Files. I'm going to open up one of mine that I made. Okay, it's called EAS2 Tornado Warning. Open. Yeah, it looks like that. So yeah. Now, I'll drag it onto my other screens. So I'm going to take that. So I'm going to drag it onto my monitor, which is the second screen, basically, so I can take my stuff. Or what I could do, basically, is drag it over here. Alright, let me just get full screen. Yeah, it doesn't look so even. That's what I realized, which I don't like about that happening. Oh, I just lost it. Yeah, so it should look like that. let me just, where's the mouse? I always lose it doing it this way, like, when I drag it. Okay, now where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay, so you're going to want to go to, if you want this to be full screen, go to View and hit full screen. That's what it looks like, basically. So that's a tornado warning. So basically, let's get the tones to the thing. So our first tone will be the attention tone. Oliver, quiet! Sorry guys, my brother is just not listening. Alright. So I'm going to press play. Okay, now you're going to want to do next tone. Now, once all that talking goes through, ending tone. So yeah, and then if you have a Mac computer like this one, which is the reason why I don't do it on this, I'd rather do it on this one because the Mac doesn't really have a paint source, but you could download a paint source. I don't really know any, but I didn't download any. So yeah, that's basically it. But if you want to play a real message through, it's alright. So yeah, now here's the next part. Well, basically that's it. But yeah, this is how my video on how to make a EAS alert. Now, if you're wondering, look at the text. Doesn't that look like actual text? Well, for those who have Microsoft and they use Paint, go to the text font area and then look for, let me get it up. So go to, it's up here. So go back to home screen. Oh, wow. So then we want to go to text. Then I'll just click that. Alright. I'm not really going to... So it should look like this. Flex.dis. I don't know how you say that, but it should... If you find that on there, then click it, because... Well, actually, it has the word in the font. It's called Sydney font. Okay. Done. Alright, so that is it. This was SPC Maryland. I will be making some videos of me showing the alerts actually in function process. It just takes time to know it. And here's something. If you have any way for me to get the alert system to scroll the words, please send me a link or like any type of link or website that could get it to do it on Paint. Thank you for watching. This was SPC Maryland.